to our lecturer, Professor Dr. Raja Azrin Raja Ahmad. So we are from Group 9, gonna presenting about MC and AC. First of all, my name is Nur Afika Aina binti Azizi and I'm gonna explain about MC and AC. First, AC is short form for absorption costing and MC is short form for marginal costing. First, absorption and marginal costing are costing techniques that are commonly used to determine product cost, value of inventory, and reporting profit in manufacturing firm. Next, for absorption costing, they are used for external reporting purpose, and then for marginal costing, they are used for internal reporting purpose. Other than that, the cost of sale and value of its inventory includes the fixed manufacturing cost in absorption costing. And then there are separation of costing between fixed and variable costs in marginal costing. As the financial and management information is used by external and internal party of organization, the way of information being analysis and report will be different. And my friend's gonna explain more about it.
Hello, my name is Najwa Uzmana binti Zulnapi. Now I will explain about the distinguishing features between absorption costing and marginal costing. Firstly, we can look the difference between absorption costing and marginal costing in the terms of basic concept. In absorption costing, we will not distinguish or separate the production cost into variable costs and fixed costs. Meanwhile, in marginal costing, we will distinguish or separate the production cost into variable costs and fixed costs. It means that in absorption costing, we will not separate the value of fixed costs and variable costs. As we can see in this picture, in absorption costing, we will combine the value of fixed costs and variable costs. Meanwhile, in marginal costing, we will separate the value of fixed costs and variable costs. This is how we distinguish the features between absorption costing and marginal costing in the terms of basic concept.
My name is Marisa Shafira and I will explain about the difference of product cost between absorption costing and marginal costing. The first one is for product cost under absorption costing. The full production costs, which are variable cost and fixed cost element, will be charged into production units. Meanwhile, product cost under marginal costing, only variable production cost element will be charged into production units.
I am Marsha. So as for the inventory valuation, for the absorption costing, the inventory will be valued at full production cost. It means when we prepare our statement profit or loss using absorption costing, the inventory part we need to add together fixed costs and variable costs. Meanwhile, marginal costing, the inventory will be valued at variable production cost only.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anna binti Hanafi and I am the fifth presenter of this group. So, for my part is about applications to stability. The difference between absorption costing and marginal costing is that for absorption costing, it is suitable for long-term planning where all costs may change and thus relevant for decision making. And for the marginal costing, it is suitable for short-term planning because the fixed cost is assumed to be constant in the short run and therefore it needs to be separated. And that is all for application stability. Thank you.